In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label Gmail emails with n8n. We'll walk through a concise setup that gets your Gmail labeling action running quickly, with clear context so you know exactly what each click is doing. Start by opening your n8n dashboard and heading to the Workflows area. This is the home base for everything you automate in n8n. Think of it as your control room. It's where you'll see existing automations, create new ones, and manage what's active. If this is your first visit, a blank list is perfectly fine. You're about to add your first flow. Click Add Workflow to open a fresh canvas. The canvas is where you build automations by connecting nodes, each node representing an app or a function. On the left, you'll have a search panel to find the services you want to use. Keeping this workspace tidy makes it easier to expand or troubleshoot later, so just confirm you're in the right project and that you're starting from a clean slate. Now search for Gmail and add the Gmail node to your canvas. In the node's options, choose the action related to labels, look for label, or add label to email. This tells n8n you want Gmail to apply a label to messages. Labels in Gmail are like folders and tags combined. They're great for routing, organizing, and quickly finding emails without moving them out of the inbox. When you pick the label action, n8n will prompt you to sign in to your Google account if you haven't connected it before. Sign in with the account that owns the mailbox you plan to label. During authorization, you'll be asked to grant permissions so n8n can read messages and manage labels. These are required for the label action to work properly. If you're on a managed Google workspace, your administrator may control what can be connected. Just ensure the necessary access is allowed. After the account is connected, select the specific Gmail label you plan to use from the available options. Using an existing label keeps your mailbox consistent and avoids duplicates. Double-check the node's parameters to make sure the chosen label is correct for your needs. With that configured, activate the workflow using the Activate toggle. Activation makes the workflow available to run so the Gmail node can apply the label as designed. From here, your setup is ready and you can rely on this action within your automation. That's it. You went to Workflows, added a new workflow, searched for Gmail, selected the label action, signed in, and activated. With these steps, you're set to label Gmail emails confidently using n8n.